Okay, this is the math model, the Algebra 2 review, matrices. Alright, here's the deal. You're going to see quite a few of these on the test. You have to be able to do these using a matrix, because you have to be able to do them quickly. Okay, so here we go. Remember, these got to be in order. You got the x's first, then the y's, then the equals. Okay, so let's just put them in a matrix. -4, -2, 14, -10, 7, -25. Stick it in your calculator and use RF, parentheses, then whatever matrix you used. I used A, but let's go down to it real quick. Matrix A. And I get the answers of x equals -1 and y equals -5, and so the answer is -1 and -5. Remember, this is an ordered pair, x, y. And when you have three of them, it's an ordered triple, x, y, and z. Okay, so number 21, first things first, you got to make sure they're in order. My x's are in a row, then my y's, then my z's, then my answers. So build your matrix. -6, 5, 2, -11, -2, 4, 1, 4, -9, 4, 5, -5, 5, -4. Stick it in your calculator and go. I'm going to pause real quick and do that. Alright, and I get that funny little matrix. It's got the 1, 1, 1, just to kind of show you what it looks like. 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, and it's 4, 3, and -1. Therefore, my answer is x is 4, y is 3, z is -1. Okay? Do number 25 on your own. I'm just going to basically paste it. The answer is 5, -1, -4. Done. All right.